from Sooner Standards Programming with Compound Conditionals, a complete Grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.AP.C.01. Students learn to develop programs that combine repetition, compound conditionals, and variables representing different data types. Inside a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of simple viz compound conditionals, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's Rita Ford Dalton said years of no prep, HQIM aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.